Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chimpo Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Raphael messages for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, sa spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mas hagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit messages for the sign of Aries for our Archangel Raphael messages. Ano ang pinaka-message sa'yo ni Archangel Raphael? Organic foods. So, kailangan mo ng mga organic foods, guys, ha? Kailangan mo ng mga organic. No? At the same time, there is a give as your cares, no? Kumbaga, kailangan din minsan yung alaga, 'di ba? Yung pangangalaga. Some of you ng inyong mga parents. At the same time, increase energy, no? Kumbaga, palakasin mo ang iyong enerhiya pagdating sa spirituality or of course, kung anumang uri ng energy yan. No, there's a divine love and light. So, palakasin ng energy. And of course, at the same time, sinasabi dito about sa give us your cares for our Archangel Raphael is, Dear God and Archangel Raphael, I am willing to release any fear to you. Please allow me to complete, let go that you can fully guide me in this situation. Yun yung pangangalaga, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, hingiin mo kay Archangel Raphael ang pangangalaga at proteksyon, diba? At kagalingan sa anumang uri ng karamdaman. There's an increase energy na palakasin ng kakayanan or yung immune system mo. So, ibig sabihin dyan siguro immune system. And of course, there's an organic food. So, baka kailangan nyo ng mga organic food like fruits, vegetables, no, na makakatulong sa inyo, sa katawan nyo, para palakasin, no? O some of you, baka mas mababa ang potassiums or fiber sa katawan. So, kailangan nyo ng mas organic products. So, let's see guys, what is additional messages for kung ano ang pinaka-message sa'yo ng ating gabay for the sign of Aries. Ganda na mensahe ni Archangel Raphael, no? And of course, there's a there's a page of swords, there's an information. And of course, there's a red flag or a judgment or awakening, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na may paalala sa'yo na mukhang nasasobrahan ka na sa mga hindi masusustansya pagkain or something, junk food or kumbaga soft drinks or something na makakasama sa'yo. So, aware ka lang dapat dyan, ha? Maging aware. And of course, what is additional messages? There's an Everest card, revert, no? Kumbaga, may nakikita ako dito mga fruits and vegetables na kailangan mo, no? And of course, revert. Kumbaga, kailangan mong magbuo ng panibagong eksena. Baka magkakaroon ka ng panibagong negosyo o trabaho with the word card by travel. At the same time, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning and new fresh start. And of course, guys, there's the Sun card. May positivity dito. And of course, there's a positive outcome. What is the Page of Swords? There is a Six of Cups. There's an information na kumukuha sa iyo. No? May taong kumukuha ng balita sa iyo. With a past person or relative or friends. At the same time, there is a Queen of Swords. There's an information na parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo tignan yung sarili mo, kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na kinakain mo or something na makakabuti ba sa'yo. Baka at the end of the time, baka kumbaga singiling ka, diba, ng eksena na yan. So, maging aware and conscious sa mga kinakain mo, no? What is the Empress card? Empress card represent the Six of Coins. Kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy daw dito, magbukas ka rin ng bagong negosyo ho. Ibig sabihin dadapuin at talagang magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances sa'yo. So what is the word card? There's a trouble by lovers. So may trouble kayo with your love life, or baka itong tao na to matatagpuan mo sa ibang bansa o sa ibang lugar. By trouble. What is the Ace of Wands? So there's an Eight of Cups. There's a moving on or walking away. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng alisan or kailangan mo na makaalis, no? What is the Sun card? The Sun card represent King of Wands, and of course there's a Hangman. Na baguhin mo raw yung perspective mo, baguhin mo yung ginagawa mo. Baka nakakasama yan sa'yo. There's a negative thoughts na ginagawa mo, no? Meron ditong iniisip ka na parang nagbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga toxicities, no? Pagbagal, blockages. Okay, what is the Page of Swords, the Six of Cups? Ang Six of Cups is a kumbaga, there's some reminiscence, or there's some memories, or there's a past person coming back, or something na mayroong about sa nakaraan. So, what is the Page of Swords? And because there's a Six of Cups, there's Two of Swords, there's a decision, na kailangan mo mag-decision dito. No, kung babalikan mo siya, or magkakaroon ka ng panibagong love life. So, what is the Judgment of the Queen of Swords? So, there's a Two of Cups, there's a partnership, no? Kailangan magising ka sa katotohanan. Tingnan mo, parang there's a wake up call or a red flag, no? Parang mag-ingat ka na, no? Kailangan mo na maging aware. At there's the Lovers, na may taong talaga na nakatadhana para sa'yo, no? May taong nakalaan para sa'yo. What is the Empress card? And of course, the Six of Coin. Empress card and the Six of Coin. There's a Palace of Coin. Ibig sabihin talaga dito, Timo, kung magkakaroon ka na masaganang dito, finances. Galing, uulanin ka talaga dito, Tim. Magbukas ka ng negosyo, ha? What is the World card? And of course, the Lovers card. So, there's a Star card, wish fulfillment, ang taray, career, and of course, love life. Pasabog. Diba? What is the Ace of Wands and the Eight of Cups? There is a there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition, 'di ba? Kung hindi makakabutiti, kung alam mo kung feeling mo pagod ka na, feeling mo stuck ka na, feeling mo depressed ka dyan, or feeling mo natatakot ka sa eksena ng team, bitawan mo. What is the Sun card and the Hangman and the King of Swords? There's a Palace of Swords. See? There is a lot of struggles. Failure, 'di ba? Kumbaga maraming struggles, and of course betrayal na nangyari from the past. Na kailangan mo ng kumbaga siguro nagkaroon ng trust issue dito. Yun yung negative thoughts or toxicities, or something na nagbigay sa iyo ng blockages, yung toxic energy mo na kumbaga dahil sa trust issue. Kaya pala there's an increased energy. Kumbaga dagdagan mo yung energy mo with the positivity. So what is the outcome? What is the outcome? There's Knight of Wands, slow and steady, kalmado. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. Kumbaga talaga, there's a blossoming abundance. And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. Yung offer nito is slow and steady. Kung talagang pang matagalan. Diba? Kumbaga mabagal, slowly but surely. Diba? Ganun siya, ganun ang atake nito. So, what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card? Kumbaga, give us your care. So, ibig sabihin dito, kaya pala binibigyan ka ng, kumbaga, baka katulong sa'yo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng guidance, support, that because the Lovers is here, that wish fulfillment is here. Kumbaga, kataparan sa pangarap mo to. There's a truth, no? Malalaman mo ang katotohanan sa lahat ng mga nangyari from the past and recent, no? Additional, Yin and Yang. And of course, there's a rejection and loss, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka ng losses, and of course, parang na-reject ka something na parang tinalikuran ka or nabinag-betray before, kumbaga ganito. Kumbaga, ngayon parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na ngayong nalaman mo ng katotohanan, diba? Na mas kailangan mo pahalagan yung sarili mo, diba? Ngayon binibigyan ka na ng pagkakataon na there's a separation. Talaga nagkaroon ng hiwalayan talaga. Diba? Nagkaroon ng pagkaroon ng breakup or something, pagkalas. So, what is additional again? What is additional Yin and Yang? Okay, there's a healing. See? Tingnan mo? Magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspect. Love life, career, gano'n. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka na ng kagalingan. Galing talaga dito ng energy natin, ha? Pasabog ka talaga dito. So, what is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? So, there's a passion, having fun. 'Di ba? At the same time, there's a date, no? Kailangan mong, yun nga, 'di ba? Meeting someone new, 'di ba? At the same time, there's an I like you. Ba, may gusto talaga sa'yo tong bagong tao nga makikilala mo. Talagang, there's a spark, 'di ba? So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? Okay, there's an MB. I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges. Totoo naman. Di ba? Magkakaiba naman talaga ng challenges ng tao. At magkakaiba rin kung paano mo dadali ng eksena na yan. Di ba? What is an additional messages? There's a waning, introspection, and self-inventory. Love yourself. And of course, there's an expression and movement, no? Paggalaw. Diba? Kailangan mo nang gumalaw. Kailangan mo na kumilos at the same time. Meron, and of course, there is a go for it. Diba? Ilaban mo. Diba? Magpatuloy ka. Diba? What is the romance angels? Forgiving and learning. See? Patawarin mo yung sarili mo at kailangan mong, kumbaga matuto sa nakaraan mo. 'Di ba? As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Totoo. And because give your relationship a chance. See? 'Di ba? Yung pagmamahal talaga, may hindi, kumbaga bibigay mo yung pagmamahal na yun, pero hindi na sa taong yon, sa ibang tao na. 'Di ba? Bakit may kukulong yung sarili mo sa nakaraan kung pwede ka naman mag-moving forward sa kasalukuyan, diba? What is the energy? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an attachment, no? Kumbaga, there's an attachment involved. Maaring ma-touch na itong tao na to, diba? At the same time, parang, there's a financial constraint, diba? May mga pinagdaanan din about sa finances. And kumbaga, kasama siya, kaakibat siya ng love life mo sa finances. And of course, there's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, no? Pabayaan mo yung sarili mo sa pagkain. So, what is a chakra? What is the chakra? Release. What you need to release. Diba? And there's an expansion. Palalawakin at padadagdagin ng yung mga katangian at kakayanan. Diba? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a perception. Diba? Baguhin mo na yung mga thoughts and of course, yung emotions mo. What is Archangel Michael? So, there is a focus upon divine perfect health. So, big sabihin talaga dito, kailangan mo mag-focus sa health mo. Kasi, nung time na nagkaroon ka ng eksena sa love life, diba? Parang nahirapan ka na rin. Diba? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mo mag-focus sa sarili mo. Kasi kailangan mong bumawi. Diba? At the same time, honor and trust your feelings. No? Magtiwala ka sa nararamdaman mo. So, what is the ontology? Surrender to the divine. So, kailangan mo mag-surrender at kailangan mo ipabuhaya sa kanya lahat. Ganon. Diba? And of course, a win-win outcome forecast. So, magkakaroon talaga ng pasabog at mananalo ka talaga sa hamon ng buhay. So, what is additional messages? Parang ipapanalo mo to. Go for it. Ilaban mo. And of course, there's a strength, no? Malakas at matibay ka na. So, kaya mo nang lumaban, diba? At palaban ka na. Ganun. So, what is angel's number? So, what is angel's number? So, there's a 9. I am compassionate. So, let's see what is the uncompassionate means. It's your compassion that makes you shine. You are devoted to helping the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking up for others, and your soul is most satisfied when you are being of service, no? Kumbaga talagang passion mo talaga yung pagtulong, 'di ba? Kumbaga talagang nagbibigay ka ng sacrifices and of course talaga ng help sa tao. Kaya ito, kumbaga sa dami mo pinagdaanan, parang bibibless ka na ni God dito. So what is the Jesus loving quotes? So let's see what is additional. what things soever you desire when you pray, believe in that you receive them and you shall have them. Ibig sabihin daw dito, may mga bagay tayo na gusto nating makuha at pinapangarap natin makuha. Pero sinasabi di God dito na ipagdasal mo, 'di ba? At maniwala ka at magtiwala ka na makukuha mo 'yan, makukuha mo. Ayon sa kalooban ni God. 'Di ba? Kapag alam niya na wala kang talagang tinatapakan tao at talaga mabusila kang puso mo na makuha mo 'yung bagay na 'yan, makukuha mo. 'Di ba? Lalo na ngayon, maganda ang eksena ngayon ng there's a transformation for the Virgo signs, and of course magta-transfer tayo for the Libra signs. So Libra is balance, and of course Justicia. 'Di ba? Ang September kasi for Virgo sign is kumbaga transformation. Let's see. What is additional messages? Messages of life, attaining peace. Today I turn within to find the source of experiences there I find the peace that comes from seeking truth. I understand that the riches I discover within myself has a greater value. That all wealth of the outside world, step by step, I continue my spiritual guess. Little by little, free myself, rising ever higher and attaining true inner peace. So, ibig sabihin dito, lahat ng nararanasan mo, magkakaiba man yan ng aspeto, magkakaiba man yan ng detalye, magkakaiba man yan ng sitwasyon, sinasabi sa dito ni God na lahat ng bagay na yan ay, kumbaga, it's a part of your journey. No? Kasama yan talaga na maranasan mo upang maranasan mo kung paano mo talaga malalasap ang tunay na tagumpay. Diba? Experiences and discoveries and make you to success. So guys, this is our Arcangel Raphael for the sign of Aries. For the sign of Aries, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asama kayo ngayon. Para sa susunod na reading and of course, ang ating messages ay energy mo na ang ating masasagap. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babosh!